Okay, here we got the grand finale.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Right? This one, Mike?
Yeah, you got it. Okay, first we're going to start with this board. Then we're going to this board, Chronic.
It's on YouTube.
Got it.
Or Core TV.
Third board right here. Fireworks castle. Then we start at the city. We got 24 Saturn missiles, 300 shot. It's going right to 30 Silver Dragon. All these. Then we're going straight to this board. I kind of screwed up the order. Cosmic Clouds, Orbital Drifts, Chronics, Twist Ups, all kinds of good stuff. Midnight Howl, Planet Explosions. And we're going to the final racks. 36 shells here. Unfortunately, 12, we broke the wood on the sides, we can't put it there. Another 24 here, 60, another 36, and another 6. So that's the finale. We're going to get this started here in a minute.